welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 6 of my 7-day yoga challenge. Almost there, you guys, you can do it. So today I know that maybe your body might be feeling a little bit sore because 5 days of yoga, you're definitely using some muscles. And so today I want to slow it down and we're just going to stretch it out. So no worries, nothing too challenging today. But we're going to get started on our seated position just like this. And you can bring your hands down to your knees, sit up straight, and then close your eyes down. Maybe you can bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly, and just try to connect right now. And slowly take a deep breath in through your nose. And an exhale. Let everything else fade away. One more deep breath in. And an exhale. And then slowly you can blink your eyes open, release your hands. Inhale, mountain pose with the arms up to the sky. And then exhale, seated twist. You're going to bring your right hand to your knee or your left hand to your right knee. Sit up straight and then twist your body. Gaze is towards the back. Remember, no bent backs, it's straight. Inhale, reach the arms up high, and then exhale, switch it out to the other side. Lengthen up your spine and twist. And I don't know if you can see, but it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. It's all good. Inhale, reaching the arms up high. And then exhale, you're gonna lower your right hand down, lengthen up, and then slowly lower it down to the right side. Feel the stretch all along your left side body. Make sure, remember, the hip is down, shoulder is down, gaze is up. Inhale, reach the arms up high, and then exhale, switch it out to the other side. Lengthen, and then lower it down. Nice. Open up the shoulder. Beautiful. Inhale, reaching it to the sky. And then exhale, release your hands down. Good. Let's do some shoulder rolls up and down. And then slowly we're going to come into our child's pose. Child's pose, knees out wide, toes to touch. And then you're going to lengthen out the arms to the front. Stretch it out. You can lower your head down. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Notice the lengthening in the spine. Press the hips down to your heels. And then slowly begin to rise on up. Tabletop position. Shoulders above wrists, hips above knees. Inhale to cow pose. Your belly drops, shoulders, hips in the sky. Gaze is up. And exhale, cat pose. You're going to round out your back. Inhale, cow pose. And exhale, cat pose, round. One more time, just like that. Inhale. Exhale. Bring yourself to a neutral spine, and then you can sway your body side to side. Good. Go ahead and tuck your toes underneath. We're going to come straight into our downward facing dog. Bring the hips up and back. Press your heels down and you can pedal out your knees. Move the hips side to side. Good. And then go ahead and press your heels down. Press your body back. Inhale, you're going to lift the heels up to the sky. And then exhale, release the heels down. Inhale, lift your heels. heels down. Good. Inhale, lift the heels high, and then from here we're going to slowly roll our body all the way forwards into a high plank position. Bring your hands forward, shoulders above your wrist. And then from here you can lower your knees down, and then we're going to lower our bellies all the way down. Count to 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Keeping your hands underneath your shoulders. Zip your feet together. Shoulders are straight, pushing it down. Now, inhale to cobra pose. You're going to slightly lift your chest up. Press the palms down. Feel it in your lower back. Squeeze it tight. Good. Remember to bring the feet together, tops of your feet down onto your mat. Inhale, lift a little bit higher. And then exhale, release it down. Turn your head to the right. Hands fall to your sides, toes in, heels out, and relax. Good. Second set. You're going to bring your chin back to the center. Hands underneath your shoulders. Once again, squeeze the elbows in. Your arms are like cricket arms. Now lift a little bit higher, all the way to king cobra. You're going to press into your palms and then straighten out the back. Open up here. You're going to feel a huge stretch in your lower back. Nice. You can gaze to the right side and then gaze to the left. Bring it back to center, and then slowly lower it all the way down. Turn your head to the left, hands fall down to your sides, and relax. Beautiful. Slowly bring your gaze back to the center. Plant your palms, and then begin to rise all the way up, back to tabletop position. Straight into your downward facing dog. Nice. Go ahead and pedal out the knees. Beautiful. Press your down dog down. Nice job. Take a deep breath in. And then an exhale. Press the shoulders back. Good. Gaze is forwards. Now you're just going to step your left leg forwards, coming into your low lunge. Release your back knee, uncurl your toes. You're going to bring your left hand to the inside, toe heel your left foot out to the left side for runner's lunge. We're opening up the hips here. You can sway the hips side to side. Nice. You can even roll onto the knife edge of your foot. Open it out. And for those of you who are a little bit more flexible and can go a little bit deeper, maybe lower your elbow down. And then maybe just drop the head down. Now it's starting to really sprinkle here. Good, just sway it side to side. And then you can slowly plant your palms down. Now, take your left hand to your left knee. Push the knee out and twist it open. We're going to slowly bring it back. Nice. Tuck the toes and then engage the back leg. Toe heel your foot back to the center. Right hand comes down, lunge twist, left arm to the sky, open it out. And then exhale, release it down. Good. All we're going to do is walk the hands over to the center and then bring it to the right side now. You got it. Low lunge. Release the back knee. Uncurl the toes. Bring your right hand to the center. Toe heel your right foot out for runner's lunge. And then just sway it side to side. You can roll onto the knife edge of your foot. And then once again, if you did so on the other side, lower down to your elbows. Maybe drop your head down. And then slowly plant the palms. You're gonna take your right hand to the right knee, push it out, and twist your body open. Good. Feel that twist in your lower back. And then slowly plant the palm down. Good. You're gonna walk your foot back to the center. Tuck your toes, engage the back leg. Right hand comes down, lunge twist. Right arm reaches to the sky. Open up your body, twist it out, inhale. And then exhale, release it down. Good, walk yourself back to the center now. I want you to bring your toes in and heels are out. From here, lower your body down. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Now it's really boring. Bring it down. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. And then slowly begin to rise. We're gonna walk it back to the front. Step the leg back, push it back to downward facing dog. And then lower your knees down. All right, y'all, that's all that we have time for. It is now really going to pour down. So, amazing work with day 6, and guess what? Tomorrow is day 7. All right, let's do this. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.